Hi, Sagar. Good evening. Hello. Sagar, your voice is little bit
Hi, how are
breaky.
you? I think we have bad connection. We have bad connection. That's why.
Yes, yes. Now I can hear you properly. Yes. Can you see me?
But but I can't see you. I can hear you, but I can't see you.
Okay. You can't see me. Just wait. Now you can see me?
Yes, yes. I can.
You can see me?
Uh,
Hello.
yes, yes, I can.
Okay,
I
okay.
can see you. I can.
Okay. So hi Sagar, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. What about you, ma'am?
I'm also fine. So finally you get the time to talking with me.
Sorry, ma'am.
I was saying finally you got the time to talking with me.
Yeah, no. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. I'm talking with you. It's my pleasure.
Yes, yes, yes. So Saga, just little bit introduce yourself so I know you better way.
Okay. So as I know, my name is Sagar. I'm from Bombay.
Okay,
My Yeah, my native place is Baramati from Pune.
okay. You're
Right
Maharashtrian.
now, I'm currently, I'm Maharashtrian.
Okay, okay.
Right now, I'm currently working in Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi in Dubai.
Yeah,
Okay, okay. So what kind of work you're doing, Sagar?
I'm, I'm, sorry, I have completed electrical diploma. So regarding that, I'm work doing here. Yeah, means
Okay.
my designation here as a BMS operator. Do you know BMS
Okay.
operator?
No, no, I don't have any idea. So
Just
you're like, yes, yes, tell me.
I will give you just a small, what can I say, some small definition of my work.
Okay.
Where are you working right now? You are working in bank, I think. I have seen your videos.
No, Sagar, I'm working in as a in company. Is a pharma company now.
Okay.
Before at least before 1 month, I'm working in real estate company. Now I'm working in the pharmaceutical company in as account assistant.
Okay. So have you
Yes.
done ever? Have you done ever the? No. So have you did? Sorry, I want to ask you. In your no. I want to ask like, have you done your job in not like this. I want to ask you like just I want to think first what I have to ask.
What do you want to ask about my qualifications, about my job?
No. Yeah, about your job means whenever you have done your job in NMC company like IT Park.
No, right now I'm not doing any MNC company. I want to do in future. In future, I want to do the job in MNC company in future. Not I'm doing presently. Okay.
Okay. So
Yes.
that's why I was asking you. Have you done? means आपने पहले कभी किया है? Have you done? Have
Uh,
you ever done? Ever done?
what I can't understand what I have done for
Means
in interview.
have you no.
You're
Have you
asking.
ever worked? Have you ever worked in like IT company job?
No,
No.
no.
So I'm going to ask you in Hindi because I'm just little bit confused what I am asking.
Okay.
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 So,
Okay. But try to speak in English more.
yeah. No. Just because I'm not getting this sentence, how to speak. That's why
Okay.
I'm just.
Okay. No problem. Okay. Ask me.
So मुझे कोई IT कंपनी में काम किया है?
IT कंपनी में नहीं.
No.
No, I have not doing any job in IT company. I'm doing the job previously in the real estate company. In real estate company, as you know, there is a like a work for they're selling the property. Okay. Yeah. And my job profile is as an account assistant. I'm not doing all that. Yeah, I'm doing the just account work in that company. So tell me something about your working in Dubai. So what's the situation in Dubai now? Because there is a coronavirus, and what's the in Dubai situation?
But here is not that much corona comparison to India. Yeah,
Okay.
here, because of here, not that much population, that much not crowd here. Because of that, here not that much corona.
Okay. So you you're moving outside without any restrictions. So you're wearing the mask and all that.
Yeah. We have to put mask on the face. We can't go out like this. We have to follow all the instructions.
Yes. In workplace also you have to wear the mask if required, I think.
Yeah. If whenever I have to go outside, with any person, so I have to wear mask.
Okay. But in Mumbai, as you heard the news in Maharashtra, the coronavirus is rapidly increasing day by day, and today is like a complete lockdown in Maharashtra. Without after 11 o'clock, everything is closed, shop and all that. Only the groceries and the medicine, that kind of shop are open now.
Yes. Means only necessary, what you have necessary, that necessary shops are open.
Yes. If people are.
What about our trains? Trains is working. What about our trains? What about our trains? Trains is regularly working or not?
Yes. I'm going office because I told you because I'm doing a pharmaceutical company right now working. So it's a medical so it's come in the essential service. So we have yes. I am going office now. I have the permission in my company because if the people yes.
Do you go by bus or by train in your office?
Because it's not too far my home. 15 to 20 minutes I can reach my office. So I'm going to the bus. Yes. It's nearby. I'm staying in Ghatkopar in Mumbai. Yes, and my job is Andheri. So if you know the how much distance in Ghatkopar to Andheri. By the metro, it's like only the 7 to 8 minutes we can reach there. Yes. So in your your family in Mumbai or in Maharashtra?
No. I think they are living right now. My village, my native village, my native place.
Okay. Your native, and you are for your work. You are in Dubai, in Abu Dhabi.
Yes. I have been working here last 4 years in Abu Dhabi.
4 years, it's too long time. So you're
Yeah.
the like now, you're the like habit to live in alone. You don't have any problem.
Mm.
No.
Yeah, no. See, sometimes I miss my family, but not because I have to work here because of my family condition. I have to work here because I want money. So that's why I'm working here last 4 years.
Okay, okay. But I was listening in that place so much of restrictions uh, for other people. So you have to follow all the rules and regulation according to them.
Yes, yes. That's why I was telling you. Here is not that much corona, but apart from that, we have to follow all the restrictions. We can't stay together. We can't sit together.
Okay,
We have to go outside, so we have to put mask. We have to
okay,
carry a numerous ID. So we
okay,
have to
okay.
follow all the restrictions.
Yes, yes. It's necessary also because there is not, but it will be happen because it's happened. We know how it's happened. That's why it's required.
Sorry, ma'am.
Hello. I'm telling
Yeah,
you,
I didn't get your last.
you hear my voice. You can listen me or not.
Yeah. I'm right now listening, but what was you saying? I didn't get that point, last part.
Okay, I'm telling you because the this like
You are there. You stuck
coronavirus.
again.
Uh, I'm telling you, the coronavirus is happened. We don't know when it's happened. The person is like infected with corona or not. That's why we have to protect ourselves. Yes.
Here is mandatory. Uh, you have to check you have to do corona test every month. Here is a mandatory.
Oh, in that in Dubai, you're talking about
Yeah,
in your workplace. Every month it's
yeah.
required to.
My
Oh my
workplace, my
God.
work. Yeah.
So have you ever positive or negatives every time?
No, I'm every time in negative.
Okay, okay, that's very good.
Did you
So
take uh, did you take
yes,
your corona vaccine?
no, no, I have not. But my parents take vaccine of corona, like injections, because in Mumbai, who's above the 45 age, they will have to take the vaccine because they cannot move other place because in 45 age now the people are like aged, so it will infect very quickly. That's
Yeah. And also
yes,
there also then also their humanity is also low. That's why.
yes, yes.
Yeah. But
So yes,
no, you can tell you can
no,
ask now.
no. I was asking you. So how do you how you improving your English because we have coming for the improvement of English. So what are you think you're doing for improvement your English
I'm
nowadays?
doing nothing. I'm doing nothing. Just
Okay,
watching just watching English movies is enough.
okay, okay. But because I'm asking, you're living in foreign country, so it's required you have to speak in English. So how you survive at that place? That's why I'm
So
asking you.
that much English I can speak. If I want to convey my message to anyone, so that much English I can speak. But
Okay,
I want to improve my fluency and my grammatic mistakes. That's why I'm just
yes,
learning.
okay, okay. Because it's required because if you're working in foreign country, now in Dubai also, if you're going for other country, the people are only speaking English, so that you have the problem because their accent is different. You can't understand. And if you're telling, if you are talking with him, they all are not understands what you're saying. there's a problem. It's happened in your future. That's why I'm asking you. Okay.
No, but yeah, with me, from Philippines, from Sudan, from that country, people are working with me. Whatever they are
Okay.
speaking, whatever they are talking with me, I can understand because I have been working last 4 years here. So that's why.
Yes. Yes.
Because
Yes.
their accent is also different with Indian whatever we have speaking right now.
Yes. Yes. So they all are coming in different country or Indian people?
No, no, no. Here I think here you can say here uh, Nepali, Pakistani, sorry, Bangladeshi,
Okay.
Philippines, Israel,
Okay.
no, no, Misr, and Sudan.
Okay.
All of countries people are here.
Okay, okay. So you have the problem while speaking because in Bangladesh, in Pakistan, the people are understand the Hindi. Okay, but in the Philippines,
Yes.
that people are not understand the Hindi. They always speaking in English. So you have to face the problem when you communicate with him.
Yeah, yeah. Sometime I have little bit problem with the because sometime I stuck because whatever I have to speak, that word I didn't get in my mind. I'm not getting it mind quickly.
Yes, yes,
Yeah, that is my problem.
yes. Because you're not speaking. That is the problem. You're not speaking regularly. When we are speaking regularly, so the word is coming very quickly in your mind. It's happen. It's
Yeah.
happen. Yes. But you have the like environment to speak in English with people because you have the different kind of people. So you have the environment you can speak and you can also improve your English.
I'm trying to speak only Philippines and Sudanese because Indian and other our Asian people we cannot speak English with them. Only South Indian people here, most of South Indian people, so we can speak with them in English because they don't know
Okay.
that much Hindi.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
So because of that, I can speak that much. Whatever I am speaking right now, uh, I learned from by only speaking.
Okay. Okay. But if you are like daily talking with that people, so I was thinking you improve very well because as we know the all the things in English, but problem is we are not speaking. So that's the thing is we are not fluent. Okay. Yes, for you, you have to improve with your friends and like all their office in your name colleagues who doing their work with who is doing with your work.
But here, whenever I get chance to speak English, then I will go. I will. I never. I never feel shy. I never feel shy. Whatever I
Okay,
am
okay,
speaking, I can speak. If wrong,
okay.
I know I'm making some mistake, grammatic mistake, but I'm continuing to speak.
Okay, so you're telling you convey your message, whatever when
Yeah,
its time is coming. Okay, okay. So it's good. That's a survivor English you have now. You can survive with your English. Yes, that's a very
but
good.
here you can uh, here you can speak whatever I can speak, but other countries like Canada, UK, you can't
Yes,
speak like this. There
yes,
is
correct.
grammatical, your accent and your fluency is very important if you want to do work there.
Yes, yes, yes. Because I was thinking in your field is very like your kind of whatever the work is doing, you're doing the different country. So I think you have the requirement of to learning the English. So you can do the job with different country.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Here that much English no need because here Arabic they don't know that much English.
Okay.
And other Indians, Pakistani, Nepali, they don't know Hindi. Sorry, they don't know English. So
Okay.
50% here I have to speak only Hindi, and 50% I have to speak only English.
Okay, some part you speak in English, and the some part
Yeah,
like mixture. Hindi and
mix,
English
mix.
you mix. Yes,
Yeah,
I understand.
yeah. So
So
what I want here, I want to speak fluently without grammatical mistakes. So
okay,
could you give me some advice? How can I improve? And how can I be fluent in English?
okay. See, now I was also doing the same thing to like a all that thing. So you have to watch English movie, reading newspaper. I think reading an English, like reading the English newspaper. So you have the different vocabulary you can learn, and when you're like reading the newspaper, so the pronunciation is coming in your mouth in a very proper way. Okay,
Yes,
so that's the one you can improve with learning the newspaper and watching the English movie, whatever the English things. Because I'm listening the more speeches like celebrities and politician people. How they speeches given in function in like any function. So you can learn all that things with that. I was doing all that things because see, we have studied all that things, so we have the knowledge about the grammar part. Problem is when we are going to speak. Okay, so you listen all that thing and try to think in English. Whatever you are doing now, you try to